Here's the truth most guys don't realize. Women often decide if they're attracted to you before you even say a single word. It's not about cheesy pickup lines, it's about presence. In this video, I'll show you how to attract women, just by the way you move, look, and carry yourself. Let's get into it. First up, body language. If your posture screams insecurity, you've lost before you even start. Stand tall, chest open, shoulders back. Keep your movements controlled, no fidgeting. And here's a secret. Slow down. Walking, sipping your drink, even how you look around. Slowing down makes you seem calm and in control. That calmness is insanely attractive. Eye contact is your superpower. When you make eye contact and hold it just a little longer than normal, it signals confidence. But don't stare like a creep. Add a small smile, a smirk, something playful. That mix of confidence and warmth does more than 1,000 words ever could. Next is style. Your clothes speak before you do. A clean, well-fitted outfit shows discipline and self-respect. You don't need designer brands, just clothes that fit your body and match your vibe. Same goes for grooming. Fresh haircut, clean skin, trimmed beard. It's simple, but it's everything. Finally, it's about energy. When you walk into a room, people can feel your vibe instantly. If you're anxious and closed off, that energy spreads. But if you're grounded, relaxed, genuinely enjoying yourself, that pulls people in. Women are naturally drawn to that presence. So remember, confidence isn't about what you say. It's how you move, how you look, and the energy you bring. Master these things, and you won't need pickup lines. Your presence will do the work for you. If you want more tips to upgrade your style, confidence, and presence, hit that subscribe button. You don't want to miss what's coming next.